And welcome back to DASHCAM Dickheads from Neil's on Wheels. And we start off in Leeds, where a white van driver is behaving like a white van driver behaves. He's in the wrong lane. He doesn't know he's in the wrong lane, I don't think. Oh, hold on, here he comes. Go on, son. Go on, get in front of the wagon. Ah, dear. How did I know? Bye, mate. Thanks for coming. Oh, now then, yeah, this chap is rude. He is a rude boy. This another white van. Would you credit it a white van? He's indicating he wants to come in that tiny little gap, that braking space that I've left there. I've just seen that he wants to come in, so I'm backing off now because he's left it a little bit late at 200 yards, 100 yards to get off the motorway there. So anyway, I've let him go because I'm a nice sort of chap like that. And you can't probably see, but he's rewarded me with a bit of a middle finger salute. Well, each to their own. I suppose some people like a middle finger of an afternoon. Not me. All these are taken off my own dash cam. They're not poached from anywhere else on YouTube or anywhere else on the internet. They belongeth unto me. Yes, they do. Now then, here comes our friend in the black car, indicating here. I do believe he wishes to be off of the motorway for the A56. Or she. I don't know who's driving it, but they think they're a clever fucker because, oh my God, they failed to see that the slip road's coned off. And they actually hit a cone and sent it skittling away. Unbelievable, isn't it? Absolute amazing. Oh dear. People have been asking for these commentaries without any music. I mean, what is it you see about it? What is funny about it? Is it my accent or something? Oh my God! Christ on a bike! Did you see him? Straight in, no messing about. Oh, and do you know what I'm going to say? Sorry. I'm going to say sorry to this lorry driver. Sorry, no, really, I am. No, because I am a tit. I know I'm a tit. Can't help it. Anyway, please don't kill me. Yikes! Oh yeah, watch him. Watch the car with the trailer, for he is about to perform an act of severe stupidity. Yes, he is. And he's driving along the motorway, yeah, and sees his opportunity to get off the motorway. Are you noticing a little theme here? Straight in front of the Iceland truck. And credit to the pilot of the Iceland wagon for not hesitating whatsoever, touching the brakes or otherwise coming off the speed limiter. Could have been nasty. This is another one that could be nasty, involving a trailer. Shit, that fucking bird! Oh, I think he's going to come out anyway. Oh, he's found his indicator stalk. Look, no, he's found it. No, he's not. He's lost it again. But out he comes. I mean, why wouldn't you? Just it's wet. Roads are greasy. Why wouldn't you just pull out without warning anybody? Oh, and here's your typical white van tosser. I fucking hate these people. Pushing in, right to the end there, shoving the way in, bullying. You'll not catch me bullying my way in my 44-ton truck. No, sir. No, you won't. Maybe. No, I'm kidding. Of course I don't. Professional, me. Absolute professional driver. What are we doing now? Can't remember what this one's all about. I should think somebody's going to cut across me very soon. Please, somebody cut across me soon. Oh, here he comes. Here he is. There he goes. Yeah. To be fair, that wasn't that bad, was it? Don't know why I put that one in. Well, actually, quite a good bit of driving from the van driver. I'll be honest with you. Anyway, yeah, it wasn't dangerous. Forget that one. Here's another one. This one's Escape at Castleford. Cas Vegas, as we like to call it, next to Ponte Carlo. And our van driver here just seems to want to be in the lane I'm in, so pushes in. Well, honestly, mate, you can't bully an Arctic in a tiny van. What's the matter with you? Luckily for him, I'm a professional driver. Oh, yes. And he is alive to go home to his wife and children. If he has wife and children, I don't know. So another section of motorway. It's quite boring, really, isn't it, on a motorway? Until somebody does something incredibly silly. If only, oh, here we're coming up to a junction there, 200-yard marker. If only there was somebody to come flying across in front of me at absolutely the last second. Oh, is this him? Is that him? Oh, no. No, it's not. Oh, well. As you were, probably not going to happen then, is it? Oh, is it him? It's him. It is him. Oh, thanks for that one. Straight over. No messing about. Full power. Ramming speed, Mr. Christian. Yes, I'm not stopping. You will when you're under wheels of a wagon at some point in your life, because Downism dictates you will get sorted out like that at some point in your life. I think this is the A63 on the way into Hull. No, it probably isn't. I don't know. No, it ain't. It's not at all. Ignore me. I'm a fool. Everybody knows it. Oh yeah. Guess who's going to pull over? Can you get? Can you just guess? Can you? Little hint there, isn't there? This is the M61. I'm pretty sure. And over we go. Yes, of that last second. Don't matter. Don't matter if it's coming. Don't matter if there's anybody already on the slip road. I don't give a fuck. I'm coming off. I'm in my BMW and I'm just better than you. This poor person seems to be absolutely lost in space. Can't decide which lane to be in. To be fair, it is a little bit confusing. I'm not familiar with the area. It's somewhere down in Londonshire, the London part of Yorkshire. So I'll just speed it up a little bit because it is tediously bloody boring looking at this and listening to me, isn't it? You don't think my last video got quite a lot of hits? I can't remember how many it got, but it were a lot. Anyway, I was very surprised. So if you're subscribing and stuff and watching, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I don't enjoy making these. I just do them for myself, really, just for a bit of fun. Just really just started off, so I've got a record of all dickheadedness that goes on motorways and other roads. But yeah, I, I think I'm not sure where this one's going, to be honest. He's been weaving all over the road. Come off Tunbridge Wells and now decided wants to go straight back onto the M20. Oh, each to their own. Poor sod. Oh, you won't believe this. So impatient. Somewhere in Birminghamshire is this, and we're queuing to get onto a roundabout because it's shower-ish, about 10 o'clock in the morning. But look at this cockwomble here in the truck. What are you thinking about? I can't be asked waiting the 2 minutes it'll take to get to the roundabout, so I've got to go over there like that, twist my chassis, which he did, and I can't get round because I'm not a good enough driver. So, I've had to have a shunt. I've had to have a shunt. It's all right. It's all right. Nobody's seen me. Full power, mate. Oh, here comes the traffic. Here it comes off the motorway, and dear, doesn't want to be on his own though, does he? No, nobody else can be asked. No, he's gone. I'm going. I don't care. I'm going to pull into some live traffic. Possibly knacker the underside of me. Oh, look at that. Straight into the bloody fast lane. Well, lane 2. Call it what you like. Oh, and another one. I can't be bothered to wait the 2 minutes to take to go to the roundabout. Another one in a white van. And, oh, God, you can see traffic coming off the roundabout. They are not expecting to see this. And that's quite a lump, actually, that grass partition thing in the middle of the road there between the two carriageways. It's quite a lump of a thing. Why the devil would you do that? Look at that. Straight into lane 2. Mongol. Fucking idiot. Another last second Larry coming up for us. Let's see what this Lloyd gets up to. Is it the chap in the Beamer? Is it? Or the Audi even? I don't know. My Beamer's from my Audis. I don't like either of them. They're shite. Yes, there he goes. And that's the reason. What an absolute wipe. A wet wipe, that's what he is. Yeah. A used one. I'm sorry about this. So yes, as is our friend here from Hungary, if in the Waber's wagon. He comes from Hungary. He's a very nice man, no? You like? But he want to come into a lane. So he fucking coming into a lane no matter what, no? Fair enough. He's on the left side of the truck. However, the vehicle I'm driving is as big as his, if not bigger. And oh, here he comes again. He's creeping up on the inside. He's overtaking me on the inside. And instead of just waiting, just let me go past, or give me a hint of what you want to do, he's just going to come over no matter what. I put indicator on. I put it on. You move, or I come to your house in night. I slit throat while you sleep. You fucking pig. I come through. Okay. See you later. I don't give fuck. You can overtake now, you fucking pig. Oh, this is awesome. The lady in the Cougar here just will not give an inch. She's coming no matter what. But watch that little red eye go. Bump. She's hit it. Severe lack of ability, driving ability there to get through. I appreciate it's a small place. I've just literally come out of a car auction, which is situated 100 yards down the road. Now, this lady here, I'm encouraging to come through in the blue Nissan, admirably makes it through the gap without twatting parked cars. The Cougar driver just drove away, by the way, just fucked straight off. Nobody cares. There you go. So somebody sensible has decided to let me through. Thank you very much, sir. You are a legend. And I am free to go. Excuse me, I tell you. So all of these, like I say, all of these clips are my own, copyrighted to me, Neil's on Wheels. Thank you for watching. For some bizarre reason, people keep asking me to make these and to do silly voiceover things. Hey, happy days. I've got enough material for another one, and it'll be coming soon. Bye.